Whoa, guys, it's Kevin. Today we are playing a Roblox game that's called Bee Storm Simulator. I don't know what I'm doing here, and for some reason the chat's in this side, maybe because they have other things on that side, but yeah, today we getting some flowers. Let's pick this one in the middle. Okay. Tap the camera. Okay. I'm going to change my settings. Roblox, why do you keep on changing my settings? Unbearable, okay? Okay, let's get some flowers, shall we? I don't know what the hell I'm doing here, but I'm just classing around. I see other people having these, so I hope I have these too. Oh, the flowers just restarted. I came to dig. Oh God, I'm inside the flowers right now. Hey, look, I'm seeing my body. Oh, is that how low it could go? Oh, look, the platform is getting darker. Oh, I see my feet. Oh, look, my bag is full. I wonder what I'm doing with this bag. It's very flat in the bottom. Very flat. Oh God, these people have lots of bees. I hope I don't get stung. Okay, guys, my greatest fear is bees. Yes, being swarmed by lots of bees. Oh God, what the hell do you have? A fudge market? Let me scoop up those bees. Let's just open egg menu. Ooh, beach. Crap, I hatched a baby bee. Yeah, but don't worry. You're good just the way you are, okay? Oh God, what are you doing? What are you, Glados, trying to carry me with you? Okay. Wait, you're gonna follow me? Okay. Oh no, I'm not ready for this, guys. Ooh, what's this? Oh, can't afford shit. Okay, come with me, Wilson. Where did you go? Oh, hey, Wilson's eating the flowers. Hey, you're not supposed to eat the flowers. You're supposed to dig them. I'm just gonna pretend like I never seen Wilson eat the flowers for me. Oh, damn, it's full. Wilson, stop eating. Ooh, I have one bonus. Why doesn't it let me have bonus? Diggle. Oh, what's in here? Oh my God, I saw the future. Grab me and fly me around like a glass box. Say, he's making me fly around. What am I doing in this Roblox game? I do not fucking know. I'm hatchetified. Oh my God, he's grabbing me in the don't kill me. You want to play? Okay, I'm gonna make a voice for you. Wilson. You want to play? I want to play. Okay, Wilson. You look at all these other bees. The other bees got bigger holes than me. What? Okay. All the other bees have big ass holes. Why wouldn't I have it? Because my butt's very flat. Okay. I'm sorry for making fun of you, Mr. Wilson. Come on, why can't you just dig the same flower up? The other bees have big asses. Better run faster than my stinger. Even though I do not have one stinger, that's why I'm so special. Look at my booty, shake. Look at shaky, twerking bees. twerking bees. Ooh, I can dig it. Oh no. Oh yeah, I can. Crap! Container's full. He's twerking in there. He knows that I'm watching him twerk. God! What's your problem with all these bees, man? Look at those bees. I want to be like the bees. Look at the colorfuls and variations. They are very colorful. I want the colorful. Oh God, he's taking my soul. He's taking my soul, guys. I don't know what to do. What's the point? What's the point? Oh, wait, what are these numbers? Oh God, they have the shade. They have the. Oh. You hatched the basic bee. Oh. Okay. There's this one with. Ooh, what? What's this one with the fire eyes? Okay, I'm just gonna get away from the strangers. Come on, Wilson. We got better things. Oh, huh? What is this bee doing? Whatever you're doing, that's pretty inappropriate to me. Let's just get away. Oh God, there's more bees doing the same thing. Oh, what? Are you making honeys from? Oh, where is he flying? That 5-point? 5-point ass shit. Oh, those flowers giving me honey. Ooh, lots of red. Oh, whoa. What is that? Oh. Well, what the hell? Yes, kill it. Ah. Run away. Oh, God. The ladybugs are my worst nightmare. I love ladybugs. Kill her. Doesn't deserve to be a big fucking asshole. You big asshole. Where's my bee at? I'm digging your flowers. Diggy, dig. Oh my God, where are you? Where the hell are you? Wait, look, he's right there. He's right in my beehive. Ooh, I looked at his bed. Freaking basic idiot. Oh my God. I'm digging all your fucking flowers. Oh. Ha! Too fat, huh? Very fat. Very fat indeed. Oh, dang. Dig all her flowers. Dig all the flowers. Now what are you doing? You're doing the same thing? Oh, now there you are. Let me slap you in the butt. Wacha. Sometimes you get into trouble. Come on, look how much bees. Oh, they have numbers in the rings. Crap! Kill the ladybug now. Instead of making me die. Go. Okay. I chant potions. Fear. Yes! Take the son of that, bitch. Ooh! 50 honey out of that. I killed the girl. Come with me, Wilson. We got better things to do than kill ladybugs. I thought ladybugs weren't evil. Looks like. Hey, get out of here, nub. Well, you're not a nub. I'm the nub, but... Why do I even have fry hair? Okay. Mr. B, you're taking my soul. Get... I know, right? Very frustrating. When you have a bee in your back that's taking your soul. Not good. Let's go, Mr. Wilson. I got that name from Jacksepticeye Hello Neighbor. Wilson, dig those flowers while I do the rest of the nasty shit. Oh, what's that purple shit that you just... Let me slap you in the butt. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Okay, guys. So, in the future of this channel, do you want me to, like, play games that do weird stuff in Roblox? Like, play Roblox horror games, yeah. Guys, I need to end off this video here. That's enough for... I'm very transparent. Get it? But guys, that's enough for this video. Hope you enjoy. Wait, what? Oh, I thought that was my friend. There's only like 3 people in this server. I'm the 4th one. I'm just gonna leave the game and we'll see you later.